Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in to Poea E registration V2 with the account credentials you set up. Enter your verified email and use two-factor if prompted. Once logged in, upload a clear photo ID and passport scan to match your profile, because mismatched files cause rejections. Make sure you use Chrome or Edge, clear cache, and enable pop-ups. This prevents form submission errors. Proceed to create a new registration record and select the correct job classification so the system preloads the right fields. Now you complete each section carefully. Personal data, employment specifics, and deployment timelines. Use drop-downs to reduce errors and tab between fields for speed. Once done, attach required documents, contract, medical, clearances, passport page, ensuring file names match the form entries so reviewers can cross-check quickly. After uploads, inspect auto-filled fields and correct any mismatches because small typos slow approval. Save a draft. Run the built-in checklist. Then proceed to the payment module to schedule OEC processing or complete fees. You finish by reviewing the registration summary line by line, accept legal declarations, and submit. Copy the reference number and screenshot the confirmation because you'll need it for follow-ups. Then complete payment online or choose an in-person payment slot. Save the receipt and upload proof when prompted. If the application is rejected, identify the error code in the notifications, correct the specific field, re-upload the corrected document, and resubmit promptly. A common fix: replace scans with higher resolution images and rename files to remove special characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.